Hey everybody, I am back and I'm going to be cooking up some strip steaks with a side of steakhouse style green beans and some roasted garlic mash. And I'm doing this for my wife. It's our anniversary. And everybody out there, if you've got a significant other and it's their anniversary, their birthday, let me tell you, steak is not just for men. It's for women too. We love steak, okay? If you cook your wife or your girlfriend or your husband, your boyfriend, a fucking steak, let me tell you, they gonna stay with you, okay? And don't be getting no bullshit fucking shitty cut. Make sure you're getting a good cut. You know, this is strip steak. You've got the filet mignon. You've got sirloin. Those are kind of like the top three that I like to use when grilling. And this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be grilling. So I've already mixed my seasonings. This is super simple. Cracked black pepper. I got sea salt and garlic powder. And you just want to go up in here and you just want to form a crust. And don't be shy with the seasonings. Ain't nobody want no goddamn saltless steak, okay? You gotta make sure that it's seasoned nice and well, but not over seasoned to where you can't eat it. You just hit it like that. You don't need nothing more than that. So don't go too crazy. It's, you know, the simpler the seasonings, the better when it comes to steak, okay? And then we're just gonna go flip it over and we'll hit it with the rest. And there you got it. So you want to just let this sit out for a little bit, get to room temperature, and then throw it on a piping hot grill. And, you know, depending on what, temperature you like your steak, that's what you'll cook it for. Me, I like mine, medium well, so it'll probably be, maybe 5 minutes on each side. But yeah, this is how you want to spoil your other half. Even if it's not a special occasion, you just want to butter up to your other half. Let me tell you, make a mistake. You will not make a mistake. All right, thanks guys. Bye.